The heart. The heart is made almost completely of muscle fibres. Its job is to pump blood around the body. Your heart beats about 70 to 80 times per minute and it never gets tired. Double circulatory system. The heart is divided into two halves, the right and the left sides. The right side of the heart pumps the blood to the lungs, where it becomes oxygenated. The left side of the heart pumps the blood to the rest of your body, where the blood gives up its oxygen to the body tissues and becomes deoxygenated. Blood travels through the heart twice during one circuit of the body. This is why it is called a double circulation. The pacemaker controls the beating of the heart. It is a group of cells in the right atrium. It sends electrical impulses to the heart muscle, which causes it to contract. The brain also sends information to the pacemaker. Some nerves slow down the heart rate, others speed it up. Exercise also causes your heart to beat faster, because during exercise you need more oxygen and food for your muscles. How does exercise affect your heart rate? Your heart rate increases when you exercise. This happens because your muscles need oxygen and glucose to carry out respiration to provide them with enough energy to move. Also, the muscle cells make more carbon dioxide, which needs to be carried back to the lungs in the bloodstream for expiration. There are 4 main chambers in the human heart. The top 2 are called atria, one atrium, and the bottom 2 are called ventricles. The heart is made of 2 pumps, side by side, both completely separated from each other. This ensures that the deoxygenated blood on the right side does not mix with the oxygenated blood on the left side. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body and only pumps it to the lungs, so the right ventricle wall is much thinner than the left ventricle wall. The left side receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps the blood under high pressure all around the body, so the ventricle has a much thicker, more muscular wall. The heart pumps blood when its muscles contract. When the muscle contracts, the chamber gets a lot smaller and squeezes the blood out into the next chamber or the arteries. After each contraction, the chamber relaxes and fills up with blood again. The pumping cycle. 1. Blood flows into atria. 2. Atria contract and force blood into the ventricles. 3. The valves between the atria and ventricles close. 4. The ventricles contract. 5. Blood is forced into the arteries. 6. Semilunar valves close to prevent backflow of blood. 7. Blood flows through the arteries and the atria fill again. Then the whole cycle starts again.